Hi, my name is Heidi, and I own the store TPT, The Lesson Pony. Come here, Winter. This is Winter here. Came in the winter. Today, I'm going to have a video that has two parts. This is something that you can do with your students to either do you can either do a warm-up, or you can have them write a small essay. And the second part, I'm going to talk to you about a lab. If you like the full write-up of the lab, you can go on TPT and buy building a cooler. In the winter, the water freezes very, very bad. As you can see, here is, let me put this down. Here is a cooler. What happens in New England is our water freezes in the buckets, and the only thing that we can do, come on, want a cookie? It's very icy here. What we have to do with the buckets is when the water freezes, we actually have to take a hammer and hit the side of it. Then we have to pour hot water in it in order to defrost it. Horses need an awful lot of water, and it's one of the most difficult things on keeping a horse in the winter. Next week I'm going to do a video of what it's really like here in New England to keep horses. Anybody will tell you keeping horses in New England is very, very, come here, kiss. You have to excuse him, he's a ham. Have your students write an essay or a few reasons why the water won't freeze in the cooler. Coolers are not only used to keep food cold, but it helps to keep food warm. The second thing that you can do for a lab is have your students make a small cooler themselves. Make sure that all the materials are recyclable, and then have them bring them to school. Take a thermometer and have them measure how long it takes for an ice cube to melt. The students whose cooler, the miniature cooler lasts the longest will win or get an A. I will post below a complete where the lab is on Teacher Pay Teachers. It's an easy lab, it doesn't cost you anything. What I would recommend to do is have the lab two parts. The first part is discuss how does a cooler keep the water warm, and how does it keep it from melting. Thank you for viewing my video. I'm sorry I won't be able to edit it because I got my pal here. If you like this video, please hit like, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions regarding keeping horses in New England, do not hesitate to contact me. I would be glad to answer any questions. You have to excuse my ham here. We don't get along very well. Thank you again. Good boy.